Spanish flu, also known as 1918 influenza pandemic, was from February 1918 to April 1920. It infected around 500 million or 50 crore people, which was about a third of the world population at that time. The death toll is estimated between 20 million and 50 million, although the estimates range from a conservative 17 million to a possible high of 100 million, making it one of the most deadliest pandemic in human history. The first observation of the illness was reported in the United States, then in France, Germany, United Kingdom. Newspapers were free to report the pandemic effects in Spain, and these stories created a false impression of Spain was especially hard hit. This gave rise to the name Spanish flu. Spanish flu had high mortality rate for young adults. Many countries call the flu differently. It is also called as Brazilian flu, German flu, etc. The majority of the infected people experienced symptoms of sore throat, headache, fever. The virus was too small to be seen under the microscope at that time, and there were problems with correctly diagnosing it. Quarantines were declared on islands such as Iceland, Australia, America, which was saved many lives. Social distancing were introduced, closing schools, theaters, places of worship, limiting public transportation, and attending mass gatherings. Wearing face masks became common in some countries like Japan. Vaccines were also developed, but as these were based on bacteria and not the actual virus, they could only help with secondary infections. Iran mortality rate was around 8 to 22% of the total population died. South Africa also death rate was more than 6%. Bristol Bay, a region of Alaska, suffered a death rate of 40% of the total population, with some villages entirely disappearing. Mortality rate was around 1.1% of the European population, which was higher than the mortality rate in the United States. 12 to 17 million people died in India, which was about 5% of the population. Russia death toll was closer to 2%. The first wave of the pandemic was early 1918, second wave by around half of August, third wave was in 1919, fourth wave was till April 1920. The basic reproduction numbers of the virus was between 2 and 3. The close quarters and massive troop movements of World War I increased both transmission and augmented mutation. World War I was also reduced people resistance to the virus. Soldiers' immune system was weakened by malnourishment. Due to World War I, many countries suppressed reporting of the pandemic. Some Italian newspapers was prohibited from reporting daily death toll as they were worried about mass panic. There were reports that healthcare workers could not attend the sick, nor the grave diggers bury the dead as they were also ill. Spanish flu began to fade from public awareness over the decades until arrival of the news about bird flu. Some historians label Spanish flu as the forgotten pandemic.